Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Susan, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today we are going to be making this byenda in my language, and offals, and some people I've heard call them trip, hey. Yeah, so first things is we need to wash these byenda thoroughly. Okay, we need to wash them 3 to 4 times. Okay, so we can really clean them out. Okay, so next is we're gonna bring our byenda to boil, and I'm going to be adding water and some ginger. You can add in bay leaf. I hear even some people put in vinegar, or they wash them with vinegar. I don't know. I'm going to be adding in salt, and we are going to boil this for about 2 hours. Okay, so we can really soften them. Okay, so I'm gonna cover them and we boil it for minimum 1, but it's 2 to 2.5 hours if you really want them to be soft and tender. So now I've boiled them for about 1 hour. I'm going to take them out. I cut them in pieces. This is going to make the boiling process faster. Okay, so I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. Normally I don't want to cut them when I've not cooked them yet. That is me. Okay, so I first boil them for a while, take them out, I cut them, then I boil them again for another 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So for the ingredients, we are going to need carrots, eggplant, peeled green pepper, onions, and tomatoes. Okay, so now our byenda is cooked. I believe now they are tender, so we are going to get them out of our broth, and I put it aside. Okay, onto our hot pan, we're going to be adding oil, and I won't be adding too much because our offals have their fat. As you can see, the broth is all covered with fat. And into our nice and hot cooking oil, we're going to be adding our offals. Okay, and we're going to brown them a little bit. Okay, I went ahead and added in again and added ginger, yeah, because I love like ginger taste in my soup. So we're going to be browning them, as you can see. After our meat is all browned and nice, we're going to add in the onions, and I'm also going to be browning these onions. Okay, so now this byenda in my country, especially in my culture, they are given to new mothers. Like if you've just given birth, they believe that this soup that comes from byenda is going to do you good, so they cook it and they put it in a lot of soup that you're gonna drink on it. And yeah, so next is I'll be adding my green pepper, and again I'm gonna boil them. And my mini-me again was around trying to help. She loves cooking. Every time I'm cooking, she's there. Okay, mommy, let me film. Okay, mommy, let me cut onions. Okay, mommy, let me stir. She's always there. So now I'm gonna grate my carrots. I love to add grated carrots, and I'm going to stir them again, cover them, let it again cook for a few minutes before we add in the green pepper, eggplant. Now for my eggplant, I'm going to be peeling it. Okay, you can add it with the peels, but I would prefer to peel it for this round. Now after that, I'm gonna cut them into smaller cubes, and again I will be adding them into my
what is happening from here?
If you have watched the video this far, kindly don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have already subscribed, please give it a like or a thumbs up. It is much appreciated. Thank you. Now after all that is cooked, the green pepper, the eggplant, onions, I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. Again, I chop them into small cubes, and we add them into our delicacy. For the spices, I only used simmering, that's curry powder, and I added it in, and Reiko. Yeah, I'm gonna stir it, give it a good stir, and then we cover it and let everything cook together. Later on, I dashed in my carrot cubes because I don't want. After everything is cooked, we're going to add in our broth, and we cover it and we let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to be adding in my Reiko right after it has cooked, when you're about to get it off the stove. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my Reiko, add in a little bit of water, stir it, and then I add it into our offals. Yeah. This, we're going to let our Reiko again boil for about 5 minutes or 10 depending, and then we will be ready to serve. So yeah, our Reiko has finished cooking, and this is our food. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you have liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. We need to take it to 3,000. We need to take our channel to 3,000 subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and let me go enjoy my soup in peace. Stay blessed. Ciao.